Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup documents for Social Security verification with SSA, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents needed for Social Security verification. This typically includes your Social Security card, birth certificate, and proof of citizenship or lawful residency. Next, prepare additional identification documents, such as your driver's license or state ID. Choose a reliable method for backing up your documents. You can opt for physical copies, digital scans, or both for enhanced security. If you prefer physical copies, use a high-quality photocopier to make clear duplicates. Store these copies in a secure location, such as a locked filing cabinet or fireproof safe. For digital backups, start by scanning each document using a scanner or a smartphone app designed for document scanning. Ensure the scanned copies are clear and legible. Save these digital files in a designated folder on your computer. Consider naming the files clearly, using a consistent format to easily identify each document. For added security, encrypt the digital files or store them in a secure cloud service with strong password protection. It's also wise to create a backup on an external hard drive or USB flash drive. Regularly review your backup files to ensure they remain updated, especially if documents change or new ones are added. If you're submitting documents online, check the required format and size specifications. Finally, always keep your original documents in a secure location separate from your backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.